What's up everyone? Glad to have you back for another workout. Now in this video, we're gonna perform a 15-minute, no noise, apartment friendly workout. Alright, so if you have your neighbors downstairs or upstairs complaining about your jumping jacks and your high knees, well, we're gonna solve that problem right now. Right now, if you don't have any neighbors upstairs or downstairs, then that's one less thing you have to worry about. Alright, now this 15-minute workout is gonna consist of 15 different exercises that we're gonna run through. So yes, you're only gonna be performing each exercise once, so we wanna make sure the intensity is high during those 45 seconds of work, followed by those 15 seconds of rest. All right, guys, so you need absolutely nothing but yourself. Hopefully you have a mat with you. Make sure to play your favorite music in the background. If not, just follow along. I'll see you guys at the end. As always, have fun. Let's go.
I'd rather break my own thread, like a needle and stitch you up, just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. All you know is superficial. Some of it stays, some of it goes. Like a trend, you are a symbol of something no one ever will understand. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really liked you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread, like a needle and stitch you up, just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you. 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 I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Maybe you would know by now I really like you. I'm not missing you. I'm not full of myself, just like you. I'd rather break my own thread, like a needle and stitch you up, just for you to tear it up again. I'm through. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. if we are crashing down again. Pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out, we've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on.
but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if our time were to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on the way being not gone.
That's it, everyone. That's all it took was 15 minutes of a full body workout, finishing with core at the end. And I don't know about you, but those are my absolute favorite workouts. So you're gonna have to let me know in the comments below. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed, but this workout wasn't meant for speed. It was meant for more control, more tension, right? Really putting as much focus on whichever exercise and muscle we're actually working on, right? So hopefully this workout solved your upstairs and downstairs neighbor's problem. If you absolutely love this video, please hit me with that thumbs up, share this video with someone, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and tap that bell so you guys get notified when I post. That way you guys don't miss a video every single Monday, brand new YouTube video. All right, guys, thanks for taking time out of your day to get an amazing workout with me. One more thing, I want to challenge you. If you want to go for a second round and make this a 30-minute workout, all you have to do is restart this video and go for round 2. I challenge you. I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys. Let's go.